Hello everyone, I'm one of the student of thermal classes. Today I'm here to explain you about what is the impact of COVID-19 on indigenous community. It is one of the topic in anthropology which comes under the epidemiological anthropology. What is epidemiological anthropology? Epidemiological anthropology is the study of distribution, dynamics and determinants of a viral diseases in population. It is aiming to understand how they evolve, spread, and how to prevent the diseases. And let us know about COVID-19. Earlier, there are four types of coronaviruses are there, which is causes of common cold in human beings. Recently detected coronaviruses are two types. SARS-CoV in 2002 and MERS-CoV in 2010, which are completely altered our approach towards this disease, because initially it is confined to just common cold. Later we know that it is severely impact our respiratory system, and in the end of 2019, novel coronavirus which is emerged in animal market in Wuhan of China. WHO declared that this pandemic is a public health concern, public health emergency of international concern. And later, who are indigenous community? Indigenous community are the ethnic group native to a particular place on the earth. This always resides in forest, and they always maintain relationship with natural environment. For example, Gonds in Central India and Bills in Western India and Santals in Eastern India. And coming to why they are at risk, there are some factors. First one is lack of healthcare centers. Second one is lack of sanitation and preventive measures. And third one is social and environmental factors like congested house. And fourth one is under-equipped and under-staffed primary healthcare centers. And fourth one is stigma and discriminatory towards the access of healthcare centers. For example, a tribal population in Gulma district of Jharkhand, they always hesitate to visit the primary healthcare centers, because instead they always prefer to visit the Baida, who is a traditional healer, because whenever they visit the primary healthcare centers, they are always ill treated by the staff. That's why they couldn't. Coming to the impact of COVID-19 on indigenous community. First one is high mortality rate. According to United Nations, indigenous community experience high level of infant and maternal mortality and malnutrition and cardiovascular diseases and other infectious diseases like malaria and tuberculosis. And second one is loss of livelihood. Thousands of tribal migrant workers have lost their livelihood because of nationwide lockdown. Third one is reverse migration. Reverse migration poses the transmission of people, which leads to further increase the spread of this COVID-19. Hampering lifestyle. Pandemic has affected the traditional lifestyle and cultural activities of the tribals, which affected their traditional lifestyle. And fourth one is food insecurity. We all know that tribes always depend upon the agriculture for their survival. But pandemic has resulted into loss of their traditional land and territories. That's why it leads to the food security. There is a man called Kulaswamy Jagannathan Jainam. He said that tribals are the real guardians of the forest and wildlife. Finally, I want to say you something about Kulaswamy Jagannathan Jainam, who said that indigenous community are the real guardians of forest and wildlife. Without their participation, it is impossible to reduce the global warming, loss of biodiversity, and curbing of pandemics like COVID. Thank you.